Hello everybody, welcome to PowerPoint Academy. Today I will show you how to make your PowerPoint presentation as a background in your Zoom meeting. Firstly, I will choose this PowerPoint template as a sample in our tutorial. You can have a look in this template. There is a sports template to be used in any sport presentation. Okay, so first of all, I will open Zoom application and you will have this interface of Zoom. Click on New Meeting. Okay, now click on Join with Computer Audio. So the trick here is to click on Share Screen. Now you will see all the application you have already opened on your taskbar. So if you want to share any application or any program with your participants in Zoom meeting, you have to open it first. I will choose the PowerPoint presentation and click on Share. Okay, now you can click on slideshow or preview and you have your picture and the background view is your PowerPoint presentation. You can change the size of your shape of your picture and you can present normally with your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to be able to see our upcoming videos. Thank you.